What's up, everybody? Of course, it's your favorite blind cook, Zeke. Look, I bought me a little Italian bread loaf here, and I decided I'm gonna do a French style, or since it's Italian bread, Italian style pizza on this loaf of bread. And so I'm gonna show you some of my ingredients, but for the meat wise, I got me some chicken breasts cubed up right there, some raw chicken breasts I'm about to put in the oven. I got me some applewood bacon, which is one of the best bacons, and I got me a few fresh shrimp I just peeled. So we're gonna have bacon, shrimp, and chicken on this pizza. All right, I'll show you the rest later. Let's get started. All right, y'all. In my shrimp right here, I'm about to add a little olive oil, just a little bit, and then my cubed chicken, about to add a little olive oil. All right, let's season this up. All right, my shrimp, I'm about to add about a teaspoon of Zatarain's Creole seasoning. I'm about to add some smoked, about that much smoked paprika. I'm about to add some onion powder. Let me open it up right quick. Come on, open up. Let me see. Yeah, we'll add a little onion powder right there, and I'm about to add some garlic powder. Some garlic powder, and that's it for that. Let me mix this up. All right, let's season up the chicken too. You know, onion powder. I'm gonna do about a tablespoon of onion powder. I'm gonna do about a tablespoon of garlic powder. No, that's more than a tablespoon right there. Of garlic powder. I'm gonna do me a tablespoon of Zatarain, like that. And I'm going to do me some smoked paprika. Okay, that's about enough. All right, let's stir that together. All right, to show y'all, I got everything in their own pan. So I have my bacon right there, my applewood bacon in one pan, because all this stuff is going to cook at a different time. There go my chicken in this pan right here, and here go my shrimp. So that going to be my 3 meat toppings for my pizza. All right, I got my oven set at 350, and like I said, they're all going to go in, they're all going to come out at different times. All right. All right, this is what we're going to put in our pizza. I got some homemade marinara sauce that I made, of course. I have, there go my grilled chicken that I put in the oven. Here go my applewood bacon. Make sure y'all can see me. Here go my applewood bacon that I broke into pieces. Here go my, I'm sorry, no, that's wrong. There go my shrimp. That's my shrimp right there. This is my applewood bacon right there. Okay, so all that's gonna go in there. We have, we have some green bell pepper. We have some yellow bell pepper. We have some orange bell pepper and red bell pepper. That's gonna go on that pizza. We have, what I have here. Oh, mushrooms. Yep, got some mushrooms that's gonna go in there. We have onion. Some onion I chopped up to go in there. And we're going to use, some mozzarella cheese. And I'm going to grade this right here with just some mild cheddar and some pepper jack cheese. All right, I think that's all we'll put on there. Yeah, I think that's it. All right, I'm cutting this bread open, y'all. So I cut it open. See, how did I do? There we go. All right. I think I'm going to use this part. I think I'm going to use this top. Yeah, I'm going to use this top part with all the good Italian seasoning at the bottom. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to put this in the oven for a few minutes. I want to get my top of my bread kind of a little crispy before I put the marinara sauce on there. All right, y'all, I took it out the oven. I just let it stand about 3 minutes, see, so my top can get just a little crispy. So I'm going to start off by putting my marinara sauce on top. Put your good marinara sauce all on top of here. So my first layer going to be marinara sauce. Let me get this on here. All right, y'all, got my marinara sauce on there. Now let's put some mozzarella. So we're gonna sprinkle some of this mozzarella cheese on here. I got some cheddar, and I got some Monterey Jack mixed with pepper jack. So let me do one coating of this right quick. So put that on there. Let me put my other cheeses. Let me put my cheddar cheese on there. Tell you this is gonna be good, y'all. So throw some cheddar on there. Throw some cheddar on there. Throw some pepper jack and Monterey Jack on there. All right. Let me get all this on here, y'all. All right, next, y'all, let's add some of these red bell peppers. Just throw them on there. Throw some of those red bell peppers on there. And throw you some of these orange. And so far, I'm gonna put some onions on top. Right, put some more of this. I got my bell peppers on there. I'm gonna add some of these fresh onions. Let me place them on here. 'Cause I love my onions. And you know when onions bake and stuff, they get real sweet. Oh, my stuff falling off. Let me get my onions on here, y'all. Right, got my onions on there. And then we put a few of these mushrooms on here. I hope I'm building this pizza right, y'all. It's gonna be right when I finish. For me and my mama. My mom been with me for the week, and I've been cooking something different every day. 'Cause I like to do it. And we don't eat leftovers that much. Let me place my mushrooms on here. Alright, y'all. After I put all my vegetables on there, I like to go back with a little more cheese. Just a sprinkle of little more cheese on top. Oh yeah, I'm telling y'all, this be good. I like making these. Y'all can make these for the kids too. I say make this for the children. More cheese on there like that. Now I'm about to put my meats on there. All right, y'all, let's put some shrimp. I'm gonna actually place them. So I'm gonna put shrimp. Just to show y'all, I'm gonna put 2 right now. I'm gonna go back and do my thing. Put you some chicken. Let me just show y'all how I'm gonna do it. Some chicken, and then I'm gonna put some bacon. So let me place each thing on here separate and get it pretty for y'all. Alright. Alright, y'all, look, I got it piled up with meat. And I want to sprinkle me a little more cheese on top. So let me sprinkle me a little more mozzarella on top. Oh, something fell off. Oh, a shrimp. Gotta put that shrimp back on there. I might have piled it too high. So put that mozzarella on top. A little mozzarella. Okay. Mozzarella. Where's all my cheddar at? Put some. Where's my cheddar? A little cheddar. Cheddar on top of that. Some of this pepper jack and provolone. I'm sorry, pepper jack and Monterey Jack. Right there. Alright. No more of this. Alright. Make sure nothing fell on the tray. Yes, something fell on the tray. Let's put it back on there. Put it back on there. Everything that. Put it back on there like that. Because I don't want none of that cheese to burn on the tray. Okay. Make sure I got it all. So now, all I want to do, I want to top it with a few parsley flakes. A few parsley flakes. And a little Zatarain's creole seasoning. So we're gonna make this Cajun, just a little bit. Just a little bit. All right, I got my oven on 400, and we're gonna put it in there about 15 minutes, y'all. All right, and we're gonna see what it's like when it come out. I'm ready to taste this bad boy. I'm hungry. All right, y'all, 15 minutes. I just got out the oven from 400. Look at that. Oh, it smells delicious. Let me turn this timer off. Timer working my nerves. Working my nerves. All right, y'all. There goes the pizza. All right. Let me take it off this tray and take a picture of it and beautify it up a little bit for a picture. We're going to taste it after it cool off. This smells good. Y'all done cut me a moderate piece right there. Can y'all see it? Hope y'all can see it. All right. Y'all ready to see the smiling blind man face? Hey, 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 hey. My mama couldn't wait on me. She went on and started eating hers already. She said, forget that. I'm not about to be on no camera tonight. And I'm just going to shield her from eating hers. So I said, Mama, I got to give the people a taste test. So she wouldn't wait on me. So anyway, here we go, y'all. And here go my pizza. How y'all doing? Oh my goodness, I love making these. Because you can always customize them to what you want on it. All my shit falling. All my toppings falling up. That's right. Like, put it back in your mouth. Oh my goodness. This is so good. Just like a supreme pizza, y'all. Okay. Like I say, let me get a paper towel. Get a paper towel. Where I'm at. Right. Y'all seen me make it. Go make you some. Be safe out there. God bless. Bye, y'all.